back to my channel. I am your girl Tiffany and we are back with yet another video. This video is going to be all about my nighttime makeup removal and skincare routine. I am going to be showing you all of the products that I use at night before I go to bed, okay? I have definitely suffered from hyperpigmentation. I have suffered with textured skin. Definitely know what it's like to go through a skin change that is not, for the better, because I have not always had hyperpigmentation, acne, and textured skin and things like that. So in this video, that's what we're going to be talking about. So before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the like and the bell notification so that you never miss a video when I upload. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to use in the process of taking off our makeup, we are going to use this Clinique Take the Day Off, and it is a makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Right here, she is well loved in this house, okay? I think this is the 6.7 fluid ounces, so yes. So I am going to be taking this and applying this to remove my falsies, my shadow, and I am going to be taking off my falsies first with this Q-tip. I'm just gonna dip it in here, honey. You always wanna make sure that you safely remove your lashes. You never wanna just rip them off, and this product definitely gives them, a lot more wiggle room, and it's not like that rip off where you're literally tearing your real eyelashes out. You know what I mean? Don't do that, sis. Keep your real lashes up under the falsies, okay? And this will help you do it. All right, and then I'm just going to see how easy that was. Easy peasy. You do not want to rip your lashes off. Now these were a brand new pair, so sis is gonna hold on to them for another usage, okay? I do keep my lashes once they are out of the container. I wear them once, and as long as it's not, too bad, I will wear them again second day, and then I will dispose them and start a new pair, okay? So same thing with the second eye. So the next step is we want to take one of these cotton pads. This is a pack of 100, and it's just from Target. It was like, I want to say maybe $2 and some change. To take some of the Clinique, put it onto here to remove my eyeshadow and eyeliner. Okay, and as you can see, that has definitely taken all of my eye makeup off successfully. The next thing I'm going to be using is the Palmer's Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil, and this specifies that it says face on there, so you definitely want to make sure that it says face. My makeup removal routine has to absolutely have an oil cleanser on it, because there is no way to completely remove all of your makeup without having a cleansing oil that you put on the makeup to break it up, to remove it. So you definitely want to have a cleansing oil. It didn't have to be this one, but this is just one that agrees with my sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this may work for you. It does have a little bit of a hint of a fragrance. It does say rose hip fragrance, but it's not strong at all. So it works for me. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I'll take 2 pumps of this, maybe 2.5. Let's do 2.5, girl. And you want to just put it in your hands, put it like this. It spills over, but it's all good. And you just want to moisturize it all over your face. And so after you apply the oil, of course you're gonna have makeup all over your hands, but you wanna just turn on your water. I'm gonna take it's no worries, so I'm getting ready to throw this out. I'm gonna take a Neutrogena makeup cleansing towelette, which is your just makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to wipe my face. Once you've wiped off your face with your makeup remover wipe, the next thing you are going to want to do is cleanse your face. Now this is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. I have been using this for about about 2 years now. And I would highly recommend this. This is a gentle cleanser. It is for sensitive skin. It's super green. It's on Sephora's website. I think it's about, I can't remember how much it is, honey, but it's a coin. This video is not sponsored, honey. I'm just telling you, Dermalogica, y'all got some good products. So the next thing you want to do is cleanse your face. So the next product that I use in this process is going to be the Simple Cleansing Water. Yes, honey, you thought it was over. It ain't over. So the reason behind this is that even though you've washed your face, you've taken off, you know, your makeup with your cleansing oil and your cleanser, the cleansing water is going to tell on you as far as if you've actually removed all of your makeup, which 9 times out of 10 you have not. So you want to just take another one of these cotton pads and just do a swipe. Still have makeup on. So what you want to do is, I use this until I no longer see anything on my cotton pad. So I'll keep pouring this and swiping my face until I no longer see any makeup on that pad. So let's get started. So now that my cotton pads are all white, I want to do a exfoliant for my skin. So what I'm going to be using is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Now this is also another gentle exfoliant. I have definitely used some other products that were exfoliators and they were harsh on my skin. And that can sometimes, if you're exfoliating too much throughout the week, which when I was using more of the harsher exfoliants, I would only exfoliate 3 times a week. With this one, I could literally use this daily, which is in the name, Daily Microfoliant, and my skin would be glowing. I'm removing dead skin every day, which gives your skin more of like a polished look, and it's not harsh, so it's like a win-win. Definitely look into her if you can afford it. Catch Sephora on a sale or Ulta on a sale. They have it. Works wonders for your skin. Okay, y'all, so now my skin feels like it is super clean. Like, oh my gosh, I wish you could feel it. It feels like super amazing. I really do want you to get a close-up of my skin. It's not perfect, but I have definitely been working on it. I've got like a couple hyperpigmentation marks along my jawline, hormonal. Y'all ladies, you know what that's about. So but I just wanted to give you a close-up of that. So the next step is going to be a toner. You always want to tone your skin. I can never get their name right. I am apologizing in advance, but it is Olehenriksen dark spot toner. And they're, you know, economically friendly, in my opinion. I ain't counting your coins, girl. So I'm gonna just take another cotton pad and I'm gonna just pour on here. And I'm gonna just do a full swipe on my face. This is mostly where my hyperpigmentation comes, my chin and my jawline. Normally after I tone, I would use one of these aloe vera masks, okay? But tonight I'm kind of tired, so I'm not gonna do this. But typically I will put this on for about 15 minutes. I think that's what it says. Yes, ma'am, 15 minutes. And this is just to give it an extra boost of hydration. During the winter months, girl, we be wrinkled and dry in this house. So we go, you know, the extra miles to make sure that our face and our entire body is moisturized from head to toe. But I'm not going to do this to you guys. This video has already been pretty long with my skincare routine, so I'm gonna skip this. But these I got these from Sephora. These are super cheap. They're like $6, maybe even 4. I think 6. But this is the aloe vera mask, and if you want to boost your hydration, I have combination oily skin, so in the winter for me, you know, this is my best friend. But in the summer, mama don't use these, okay? Get into it. So my second to last step is going to be an eye cream. So I am 32 and I smile a lot. Sorry y'all, my lips, I need to put some moisturizer on, we'll get to that. But I smile a lot. I have high cheekbones, right? So what happens right here is the wrinkles. So I definitely have an eye cream, and I have two. So this one is the Dermalogica eye cream. She is expensive. I have one that is more economically friendly. I'm gonna show it to you. This is the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. So this one was around in the $30 to $40 range. This was $70, $72, I think. So I'm going to apply this under my eye. Just this little bit. Dab, dab. So very watery consistency when applying, but once you put it on and let her dry, she is gel. She turns into gel. You get these lips together, honey. My lips are too full, honey, to be out here talking to y'all with no lip moisturizer on. I can feel the crackage coming. And yes, I'm using Carmex. I've been using this since high school and I ain't giving her up, sorry. I actually tried lip sleeping masks and they just do not work for me. So I'm gonna stick to what I know on that one. So last step is going to be moisturize. So I use the Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. This is an amazing product. This is all I need for my skin to stay moisturized through the night. And I only use this at night. I use something different during the day. And we're just gonna rub her in. And every time you put on your moisturizer, you do kind of wanna make sure you blend up and not dragging your skin down. All right, now look at my skin, right? But you see what I mean? Like this shine, this glow will stick with me all night long. I'll wake up in the morning and look like a grease bunny. And that's just what it is, you know? And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So that is it, you guys, for my nighttime makeup removal and skincare routine. Thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. I'm getting ready to hit the Netflix button and chill, okay? So I thank you guys so much. If you have any questions for me, or if you do want to see my morning skincare routine when I prep my skin before my makeup, definitely let me know and I will do that for you. In the meantime, I will see you on another video. Bye.